Okay, Lacey, this is the first problem that you're working on this week with regards to calculating the correlation coefficient using Microsoft Excel. And this is the one that we're looking for the relationship between the price of stock for Delta Airlines and Southwest Airlines. So what we need to do is we need to, of course, enter our Delta stock prices in a column. I put them in column A. Enter our Southwest stock prices in another column. I put them in column B. And then we'll go to our Data tab and over to Data Analysis. Double click on Correlation. And then we have to first tell it where the data lies. So I click in that cell for input range and highlight all of those values, including their labels. And then let it know that the labels are in the first row. And then I click in this box for output range. And then I click on a cell somewhere in my spreadsheet where I want it to put the output. And I click OK. Now, of course, the correlation between Delta and Delta is 1, and the correlation between Southwest and Southwest is 1. What we're interested in is the correlation between Delta and Southwest. And so we could say that there is a moderately strong positive linear association between the stock prices of Delta Airlines and the stock prices of Southwest Airlines.